Hi, I'm Jeff Poole with ICAR, one of the subject matter expert members. And we're here today to talk about connectors during collision repair and how to help protect them from contamination. So it's no secret what we do in the collision repair industry generates a lot of dust and other contaminants that can potentially get into connectors. The electrical systems on today's vehicles are very complicated, and they're only becoming more complicated. They're very sensitive to any changes in resistance that might happen because of dust, dirt, overspray, or any other type of contamination that gets in there. So again, it's very important that as we're working with these vehicles and we're disconnecting connectors, relocating components, and things of that nature during the repairs, that we do something to protect them. And it can be as simple as taking a Ziploc bag, putting it down over that connector, and then taking some tape and taping it off. Or you may elect just to tape up the face of the connector and seal it off with the tape in order that we avoid contamination. Something else to think about is that many of these connectors are waterproof, and it's going to be important to inspect them to make sure that the seals and other things that are in there are not damaged or contaminated with any debris as well. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on another episode.